Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to find niches on Teepublic in 2024. So finding the right niche can make or break your success on Teepublic. So I'll show you basically how to make your research trends, analyze maybe competition, and also choose niches that will maximize your visibility in sales. So make sure to stick by, let's dive right into the video and simply let's get started.
Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience.
First, you'll need to go and open a browser. For me here, I'm using Brave. For you, you can use whatever you want. And of course, make sure to first of all go to tpublic.com and hit the enter button. If it's your first time, of course, make sure you will find of course yourself here. Click on create an account. To create an account, make sure to create your account. And you can log in, of course, or even create an account using a Facebook account if you have one. If you have one of those, so you don't have to go through all the boring steps of creating even logging into your accounts. So in here, as an example, you can just go to your accounts and to your store right away. And yeah, so as we said, we would like to find a niche to, as an example, create some designs about in Public, right? So you'll have, first of all, to identify your interests and passions. Of course, you will need, of course, starts by brainstorming, or brainstorming some topics or themes that you're passionate about. This could be hobbies, pop culture, lifestyle, or interest, maybe like gaming, fitness, books, social causes, like what's happening in Palestine, example, if you want to support them or something like that. So make sure to choose something you genuinely enjoy because you'll be more motivated to create and engage with that community to create some good designs for it. Then you'll have to do your research, of course, on some existing designs. You can, as an example, go to TeePublic and basically look for people that has something related to your niche. Just get inspired. See what's already popular. Search for general topics and note which designs have high reviews or lots of favorites, right? You can also look for underrepresented sub niche. For example, if book lover t-shirts are popular, dive deeper into that niche, like fantasy, book lovers, or science fiction readers. Of course, you can also use maybe social media for trends. You can monitor like social media platforms like Instagram, Pinterest, TikTok, Twitter for current trends or viral like content. Make sure to follow like the niche influencers or communities to see what topics like people are engaging with the most, and you can do that as well. You can use tools also like Google Trends for that. So just type here Google like trends, and this actually will help you to check the popularity of search terms related to your niche. So, as an example, explore what Morocco is searching right now. Like this is Barcelona, this is like Girona, which is two football clubs. This is my country as example. You can change it and maybe look for in the United States at the moment. So what are they looking for at the moment the most? Cowboys. Maybe they have a match at the moment. As example, how to watch New Orleans Saints versus Dallas Cowboys, NFL. If you are still in maybe I don't know Uganda, let's just look Uganda. Why not? So Wolves versus Newcastle. As an example, this is in I guess the Premier League. Yeah. So you can simply just search for whatever you want. You can even see like something about gaming or something like that. Search something about it close to it, and you can see the trending on that. So, example, oh, people here searching about gaming. Oh, I don't know. So just go and use that. Of course, you can see even the interest regions. Example, so Central Region, Eastern Region. This is I guess in Uganda. They'll show you in Uganda exactly. You can change, of course, the country later to wherever you're selling it to. Of course, make sure to also find like a target audience. Think about who would be interested in your design. Consider their demographics. As an example, interests, lifestyle, for example, pet owners, specific breed, like maybe cat dads or something like that. Fitness authors like yoga, CrossFit, running, maybe I don't know, bodybuilding, etc. Fandom communities like specific games or books. And your goal, of course, is to target a specific group of people who will resonate with your design. Also, make sure to focus on micro niches. Going after broad niches might be difficult due to competition, so consider a micro niche. For instance, as an example, instead of just doing fitness, narrow it down into maybe bodybuilders or even yoga lovers or yoga and meditation authors. So instead of books in general, you can look for Harry Potter lovers or something like that. Micro niches are less competitive and you can better serve a loyal audience. Of course, make sure to also check like the T public top categories as well. It will help you a lot. You can also combine niches like maybe cats and fitness, books and humor, travel and I don't know, movies maybe. And look, of course, and analyze your competitors. Look at other successful designers on Teepublic, examine their design, style, and niche, and what makes them popular. Find gaps in their offering or areas where you can offer something different or better, which will help you a lot. Of course, you can also leverage the customer like feedback when somebody buys something from you. You can see the reviews if they like, what they didn't like about your design and stuff. And you can of course test multiple niches. If you're unsure about which niche to focus on, start by testing a few different designs in multiple niches. You can monitor the performance of your design over time. The niche that generates more sales like or engagement should be your focus. You can also monitor the sales trend. Pay attention to what's trending seasonally or during a specific event like holiday, sporting event, election. Sometimes niche spike around certain times of the year, giving you a chance to tap into timely trends. Make sure also to create some unique designs in the niche. Once you've chosen a niche, focus on making designs that are unique and cater specifically to that audience. You can use designs, or your designs should stand out, be creative, and offer something fresh. By choosing a niche that resonates with a specific, of course, audience and crafting designs that cater to their interests, you will increase your chances of success on TeePublic. And yeah, that's how you find your niche in TeePublic and share about it. So that's going to be it for me today. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. So goodbye.